y'all. We're getting ready to go to a rooftop bar. You're gonna watch me get ready. Yes, I am filming on my Mac, as you can see in my mirror. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. All right, let's get ready. So you're probably wondering, and I'm going to be very transparent about this, why am I always wearing a scarf over my wig? Is because, and by the way, to never buy from these people anymore. Love Be Here, trash. Like their wigs consistently for the past, what, 2 or 3 odd years have not lasted past 6 months with me. And I follow the instructions for curing. Like I don't use heat on them a lot. I air dry them when I wash them. And they're always like shedding to the point where this used to be like up to here, this wig. Now it's just barely holding on. And then living here, the wonderful people at the post office said they were going to deliver my package before 1 p.m. What time is it now? 5 p.m. Actually, no, it's almost 6. No package to be seen. Nobody called me. And that was my new wig. So we're doing a bandana look today for the umpteenth time, until hopefully I get my package on Monday. God knows where my package is because it still says it's in transit according to their tracking system. No one has called me, mind you. Anyway, so that's why the look is this way. I hope that it doesn't offend anybody. I would have loved to just have my hair out and laid, my lace and all that kind of stuff, but it is what it is. If I start to get furious and angry right now, I'm gonna lose my mind. So I'm not gonna go there. All my jewelry, I know that I'm in plastic bags. I've just had a lot going on, guys. And I went downstairs literally to buy stuff, and every time I do that, I keep forgetting, oh yeah, you need like stuff to store your jewelry, or you need stuff to organize this part of the closet. Welcome to the brain of an ADHDer who has umpteen things on her to-do list. But anyway, so now also my jewelry is all tangled, which is not great. But I think I'm gonna do a bangle. I'm not usually like a real like jewelry person, but I don't know, for the vibes, I guess let's do jewelry today. So I have this bangle. I forgot who bought it for me. Somebody gave it to me. I think for like Christmas or something. And then so fun fact, I'm always afraid of wearing rings because I'm afraid that when I wash my hands or clean it and I take it off, I'm gonna lose it. I've lost several very expensive rings that way, including my class ring from high school. So, and this one is very precious to me, this ring, but it also doesn't match because I'm wearing gold and then I'm wearing a silver ring. But anyway, I got this in Vietnam. And it has a stone from one of these temples that's really, really rare and precious. So I don't know if it makes sense to wear that with this outfit, but I'm doing it because I don't know. Otherwise I would wear earrings, but I don't know what earrings to wear right now, this outfit. Actually, yeah, because they're not going to show. The earrings are not going to show, so that's why I'm like, why am I going to wear earrings? Unless my ears are going to be visible. Okay, so I got these. I don't know if you can see it. I got these in Budapest. Let's see if they show. Unless I go like this, they don't really show. All right, I'll take off the ring because it doesn't match. It's silver. And I'll wear the earrings instead. And now I'm looking like a pirate. All right, let's see. Yeah, only this one shows. I hope I don't do that, like on the street and lose my earring. Actually, I'm happy that I went with the earrings. It works. You can't really see it on camera, but like in person, I like it. All right. I bought some coral lipstick, and let's see if that's doing too much or not, or if it works for this outfit. All right, here's the coral lipstick. I think I should try it in the mirror first, and then turn back around here and see what it looks like on camera. Or maybe not, I don't know. Let's just do it on camera. Let's see. Actually, no. I'm not a fan. I mean, I guess technically it looks good on me, but I'm gonna add some pink to it. That feels better. Yeah, I think it feels better. Yeah, that's better. So, I guess final fit check, which is not going to be like, it's not going to be, what do you call it? Full length, because I gotta go. Let's see if I can do it. Alright, can you see it? No, not really. This is the fit check. We are wearing this. I'll try to show you my shoes on the way out. If I don't, then sorry. But I would rather be on time since I'm the one that's hosting this get together than to be late because I was trying to do content. But anyway, yeah, a day in the life of a weekend in the life of a Black girl in Malta. Stay tuned.